All right, guys. So, good afternoon. Maths Paper 2 2025 is tomorrow, Friday, the 9th of May. So, if you're viewing this video, just taking a little bit of tips and tricks, a little bit of advice when it comes to maximizing the amount of time you take on your paper. The first thing I want you all to pay attention to is your instructions page. Specifically, either instruction 4, either 3, 4, or 5, they just vary sometimes. But one of the instructions, they say numerical answers that are non-exact should be given correct to 3 decimal places, or, 3 significant figures, or 1 decimal place for angles in degrees, unless a different level of accuracy is specified in a question. Now, what does this mean? This means that any answer that you get in a paper, let me just say, a question says, calculate what is 1/3 as a decimal. Full stop. 1/3 is a recurring decimal, but the instructions page says that must be approximated to 3 significant figures. If a question now says calculate 1/3 to 2 decimal places, well, you have a level of accuracy specified in the question. The next piece of advice I would like you all to take, when all you get all the paper, take 2 minutes and go through the paper. You're going through the paper and you are going to, you're physically going through all the questions. You're perusing through your paper and you're checking and seeing which questions you all can do the best, which ones you are most comfortable with. That's the questions that's going to eat up the least amount of brain power. So you don't want to spend too much time on a question where you're utilizing a lot of energy and a lot of brain power to do the question. And when you bounce up a easier question, you're tired. You're mentally exhausted. If you find a question taking too long to do, but you're getting through with the question, continue with it. If you find a question taking too long to do and you're not getting through with the question, pause for a cause and move on to the next one. When it comes to statements in a paper, a nice thing you can do whenever you have the equation of a straight line to calculate, at the end, put y is of the form y is mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. It's a nice statement to put at the end of your questions. For something, let's say, like matrices, when you have 2 equal matrices, you need to make a statement matrices are equal, equate corresponding entries. Those things now give, well, the second one, the matrices one, it gives a level of understanding and knowledge and reasoning as to why you will put x is equal to and y is equal to, for those of you who are comfortable with the matrices question, and we have a pair of simultaneous equations to solve. If you all have any last minute questions that you all would like to voice them down in the comment section below. All in all, take your time and do your paper. Try your best not to leave out any papers. As soon as I get the paper, I will be doing the video solutions for you guys and posting it up. Looking for all your feedback and good luck tomorrow. Please don't try to go tonight and learn a whole topic. Focus on what you know, reinforce what you know, and good luck tomorrow.